A bird sat on the bare branch where its nest had once been. Twigs lay broken below, and the sky felt too wide. It didn't sing, it simply stayed still, holding its loss in silence. A cat stepped onto the branch beside it. No threat, no sound, just presence. The cat sat calmly, eyes gentle, sharing the quiet. As the wind passed, the bird's feathers stopped trembling. In that still moment, the bird understood a simple truth. Comfort doesn't always need words. Sometimes being there is enough. Nothing was said, yet the bird no longer felt alone.